Bonjour, good afternoon. Today I would like to introduce you some of our ready meal OoH, which we have ready for Christmas and New Year's Eve. You can find those products at Holland Village or the Swiss Butcher in Singapore. Our selection from a Spanish paella with chicken and seafood cooked on the saffron rice, a British style chowder stew, seafood, sea scallop, crab meat, mussel, potato, French style lamb shank with mellow vegetable ratatouille, Italian seafood tomato sauce on a fusilli pasta, and a restaurant style braised beef cheek, caramelized onion, roasted potato on a black pepper sauce. So all our ready meal OoH are ready to reheat. They will be delivered to you chilled. Can be the day before, you can keep them in your fridge. And after, it's just to be reheated in the oven at 180 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes. And then it's ready to place on your buffet.